Traffic surveyors in Gurgaon play a crucial role in managing and improving the traffic flow in the city. With the rapid urbanization and increasing population, traffic congestion has become a significant concern in Gurgaon. Traffic surveyors are responsible for conducting surveys to gather data on traffic patterns, volumes, and behavior. By analyzing this data, they can identify problem areas and develop effective strategies to alleviate traffic congestion and enhance road safety. One of the key aspects of traffic surveyors' work is conducting traffic volume surveys. These surveys involve counting the number of vehicles passing through specific locations during different times of the day. This data helps in understanding the peak traffic hours, identifying congested areas, and determining the need for additional infrastructure or alternative routes. Traffic surveyors use advanced equipment such as automatic traffic counters and video cameras to accurately collect this data. In addition to volume surveys, traffic surveyors also conduct surveys to assess the behavior of road users. This includes observing how drivers adhere to traffic rules, their speed, lane discipline, and compliance with traffic signals. By analyzing this information, surveyors can identify areas where drivers are more likely to violate traffic rules and take appropriate measures to enforce compliance. This could involve installing speed cameras, improving signage, or implementing stricter law enforcement measures. Another important aspect of a traffic surveyor's work is analyzing the data collected to develop effective strategies for traffic management. They use various techniques such as traffic modeling and simulation to evaluate different scenarios and identify the most efficient solutions. This could include optimizing signal timings, implementing intelligent transportation systems, or introducing new road infrastructure projects. When it comes to regulating and bettering the city's traffic flow, traffic surveyors play an essential role in Gurgaon. Gurgaon's traffic congestion is a major issue because of the city's rapid development and growing population. Conducting surveys to collect data on traffic volumes, patterns, and behaviors is the primary duty of traffic surveyors. This information will be used to pinpoint trouble spots and devise efficient plans to improve traffic flow and motorist safety. As part of their job, traffic surveyors measure and report on traffic volumes. These studies often involve monitoring traffic flow at various times of day and in various areas. This information is useful for estimating peak traffic times, pinpointing problem regions, and prioritizing investments in transportation infrastructure. The data is collected precisely by traffic surveyors using cutting-edge technology like automatic traffic counts and video cameras. Traffic surveyors not only count the number of vehicles on the road, but also ask drivers questions to gauge their habits. The driver's speed, lane discipline, and response to traffic